The Labrador Retriever is a simple robot to move things around for people with disabilities, and smart toilets are promising to detect diet and health issues. A Stanford study found that it is possible to detect signs of diseases by analysing your deposits. And recently, an autonomous laparoscopic robot operated on a pig with significantly better results than a human surgeon. It was described as one of the most intricate and delicate tasks in surgery, reconnecting two ends of an intestine. Slightly shaky hands could cause disaster. The robot uses computer vision and AI to adjust the operating plan in real time as soft tissues move and change shape during the procedure. Elon Musk's Neuralink is also gearing up for clinical trials, implanting tiny threads into the brain.
The robot will be able to figure out exactly what the specific topography of the patient will be, target the areas, and take the surgery from the patient coming in and sitting down to them walking out of the door that same day.